y'all. So I've already blow dried my hair and I've straightened my edges so that once I go in with my edge tamer, it'll be easy for me to lay down my edges. So I'm just going to part my hair down the center, and then we're going to begin this process, y'all, of slaying this leave out, y'all. I be seeing so many people with some crusty leave out, and I just be like, bro, like, it ain't blending. Like, what are you doing? So today, y'all, I'm going to show y'all how to blend your leave out like a pro. So let's get into it. Leave out, y'all. I really want to get into lace closures, but I'm so scared. I don't want it to look wiggy, y'all. And I see so many people's that it look really pretty on Instagram, and I've even seen some people in person where their lace closures look good in person. But I'm so afraid of when it starts to get old, it's going to start to kind of lift up. And then I had this friend, y'all, he was like, I know when girls be wearing lace closures, is that like in now? And I said, how you know? He said, because you can see the line right there. So, y'all, I don't want nobody to see me and be like, I see your line. Which is like, it's really like no way to like just make it totally undetectable. If you get close enough, you're going to be able to tell that it's a lace closure. So I definitely want to get into them because I don't want to keep putting heat on my hair, y'all. Like, I really don't. But I definitely make sure that I take care of my hair. I deep condition my leave out every week. Also being that I dyed my leave out too, guys. When I dyed my hair red, I dyed my leave out red as well. And I was so scared. I didn't bleach it. I only I used some the high color and magenta, and then I mixed it with the Adore eggplant, and it just gave me this color. It looks dull now, y'all, but when I first did it, it was popping. But you know, over time, red starts to fade, and I don't want to keep putting dye on my hair. So if it fades, it just fades because I'm ready to go back black anyways. It was nice being red. I'll probably do it again another time, but definitely with a closure, I probably won't be dyeing my hair red anymore anytime soon. I just don't want to have to keep putting different chemicals and stuff on my hair, you know. So I definitely be doing a lace closure on my channel soon, y'all. I'm scared though, y'all, because I don't know how to. It'll be my first time doing a lace closure, and I keep saying that I really want to get into them because I don't want to keep on my heat on my natural hair. So yeah, let me just start rambling. Y'all probably like, girl, hurry up, you've been pouring your hair for an hour. Okay, and then I'm just gonna start on this side, y'all, so that we can do a compare and contrast. So what I like to do, y'all, is this is my leave out. Okay, and this is also freshly washed, y'all. I'm gonna have a review on this hair, y'all, coming up on my channel. It'll probably be uploaded a few days after I upload this video. And this hair is from True Glory, by the way, y'all. So stay tuned for that review. But anyways, y'all, I'm going to part this down the center, this side of my leave out. This YouTube thing, y'all, it is not easy. Like, it's hot as hell in my room. Like, I got a ring light and a softbox shining on me. I done had to cut off my fan because I know the fan is going to interfere with the sound. So I'm about to burn up, y'all. But I love y'all, and I want to get this video up because I want somebody that's really been having a hard time and struggling, you know, trying to make their leave out blend. I want them to watch this video because I don't want to see any more crusty leave outs. Like, get it together. Get it together or get a closure. I am so hot. If y'all see a little mist on my forehead, y'all, it's because this light is shining bright on me. I got the window open, y'all. The sun shining in on this side. It's just hot. It's hot, y'all. It is hot. So let me get into it. Make this quick so I can cut my fan on, y'all. The key ingredient, y'all, to getting your leave out to blend in with your weave is, and y'all, mine is not going to blend in as well. Well, I don't know because, but okay. The key ingredient, y'all, to getting your leave out to blend in with your weave is And y'all, mine is not going to blend in as well. Well, I don't know but okay. My hair is not going to blend as good as I would like for it to blend. As far as the color goes, it's going to blend in good either way. But as far as the color goes, when I first did my hair, it blended in perfectly. Like, you probably would have thought I had on a closure. But being that I've washed my hair so much, the purple that I put in my weave washed out a lot. It washed out like a lot. So, my weave is starting to look a bit more redder than my leave out is. My leave out still has that purple hue in it. And so it appears to be it's going to appear to be a little bit darker, but when I blend it, it'll look a little bit better as far as the color goes. As far as the blending goes, that's going to be fine. So anyways, y'all, the key ingredient is Kera. This Kera wax stick, y'all. It is the bomb, y'all. When I tell you it's the bomb, it's the bomb. It's gonna lay down your flyaways. It's gonna give it a nice little sheen to it, and it's gonna make your hair blend in so good with that weave, y'all. Like, so good. So also what I did, y'all, was I sprayed some Chi heat protectant on my hair, and I sprayed it all over my leave out. And then I also went in with this Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum, and I also put that all over my hair as well, just to give it a soft, sleek sheen as well. I like for my hair to look shiny and pretty. I like for it to blend out. Y'all probably like, she put a lot of products on her hair. But the reason that I like to put a lot of products on my hair is because these products are very lightweight. They don't weigh my hair down. Of course, if you keep applying the products, then they're going to obviously start to create some sort of buildup. But that's the purpose of washing your hair, which you should be doing anyways, at least once a week or once every 2 weeks. That's the purpose of washing your hair. So I don't get any buildup from the product. Again, I use the Chi heat protectant, so my hair won't burn out as bad. And I then go in with the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum, and now I am going to go in with this Kera wax stick. Anyways, I'm just gonna put the Kera wax stick all over my hair, all over the shaft of my hair. Then I'm going to go in with a brush, y'all. Also, a good key to getting your leave out to blend in as well as using a great flat iron. When you have a good flat iron, you don't have to do as many passes. And also, I have my flat iron set to 375. I do not use the highest heat setting on my leave out because I do not want to burn my leave out. Take my Babyliss flat irons, and I'm just going to and yeah, that's just with one pass. And then I'm just gonna dab a little bit more on it, just a little bit. Make sure I put it on the ends, because the end of your hair is always the line of demarcation that you can see where your hair and your weave don't correspond, if you know what I mean. You want to put some right there, and then you want to brush it in again. And already you all can see that it's starting to blend. And now y'all can see where I was talking about, where I said the purple that was in my weave has started to fade a little bit. So the purple hue that's in my leave out is still there, but it's kind of cute though, because it kind of just looks like I have some low lights and highlights of different shades of red. So I'm just gonna go in with the second part, or the second half of my hair. I'm gonna brush it, and then I'm gonna go back in with that Kera stick. Again, you want to make sure you put it all over the shaft of your hair. You can do the chasing method if you like to. I actually can do it. Let me try to do it. It helps your hair to get straighter, so I'm going to do the chasing method. You can do it with the comb. I just like to use a brush. Also, y'all, if y'all want to see how I get my weave straight, then y'all can tune into some videos on my channel for that as well. I have videos for that on my channel. Again, I'm going to go back in with that Kera stick. Just dab it. I'm going to leave out to brush it in. And then I'm going to take this flat iron and I'm going to take some of my weave with the some of my weave along with my leave out, and then I'm just going to flat iron it together so it can blend. And then y'all, what I like to do is take this Kera High Sheen Glossifier. Y'all, I use a lot of stuff from Kera because they stuff is the truth. I'm gonna take this Kera High Sheen Glossifier. I'm gonna rub it in my hands, and then I'm just going to put that all over my leave out on this side. Make sure you grab your brush, y'all. Brushing is the key. Brushing is the key to blending that weave with that leave out. And as you all can see, it blended perfectly fine. And we're gonna get these edges together, y'all. Don't pay attention to my edges, but yes, honey. So I'm just gonna do a little compare and contrast with y'all from this side. Compare this side to this side. This the crusty side. This the flayed side. Alright, y'all, so I'm just gonna speed through the rest of this video. Our edges, and my favorite edge control is Eben's 24-hour edge tamer. And we're just gonna get into it. With some more shine spray, y'all. Like I said, I love for my hair to shine. I love a good glistening look because it makes it look like you just came from the salon, honey. Mind you, y'all, this sew-in is almost 2 months old. So I'm going to go in with this shine spray. It's from, I think this is from Design Essentials or something. I can't remember. It's some shine spray, y'all. And I'm just gonna spray it in my hand because it's kind of like not that lightweight as I would like for it to be. And I'm just gonna rub it all over my hands, and then I'm going to place it on my leave out. And then you're gonna go back in with that brush once again. And y'all, that is pretty much it for how I get my hair to blend in with my weave. That is my blending technique and my baby hair laying downage technique. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you got some tips and you can learn. Share this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. And also make sure that you have your notification bell on because I'm going to do a review on this hair, y'all. And I'm giving y'all the tea, especially if you're from down south, you stay in Georgia, or I don't know where else True Glory is, but I'm giving y'all the tea on True Glory. So make sure you stay tuned for that video, and I love you all. Bye.